Hi guys, today we're going to be having a look at a really cool Malifaux box set called Twisted Alternatives. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to my YouTube channel sponsors, Goblin Gaming, who sent me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below, you'll find a direct link to their web store, and every time you purchase anything from the web store, it greatly helps my YouTube channel. So let's get underway with the unboxing. Okay, so as we have a look at the box, we can see we've got two miniatures in the box. We've got the hare, which is Luther, and we've got the tortoise, which is Gembu. And as we take a look at the back of the box, we can see that we're going to have a booklet in there, which is going to give us some story encounters, and it's telling us a little bit of a brief blurb on the box set. Now this is a special edition model. Now what I absolutely love about this box set, guys, is that Gembu and Luther are pre-built. Now if you've ever worked on Malifaux models, guys, you'll know that they can be a little tricky sometimes. Not all models, but some of them can be tricky. But as you can see, these are absolutely gorgeous, fully built models. So no super glue or anything required there, no sticky fingers together. You're going to be able to prime these and paint them straight away. Okay, so that's Luther the hare. And now we're going to have a look at Gembu, which is my favourite of the box set. I think Gembu looks absolutely wonderful, guys. Such fantastic detail, and it's quite a large miniature as well. What I'll do, I'll zoom the camera in a little while. I'll put it on the turntable and we can have a look at the details of the miniatures a little closer up there. We get our cards, if I can just get them out of the packaging. So first of all, we've got Gembu. Now there's two cards for Gembu, and the reason for that is one's for the story encounter that you get in the box set, where you can play different narratives called Through the Breach. We've got his stat card for that, and then the other one, which is really cool, guys, is that he has an alternative stat line for Izumu the Armour. Now Izumu the Armour is a 10 Thunders miniature, and you can actually replace Izumu for Gembu the tortoise, which is really cool. And he's also Resurrectionist, I should say, as well, so 10 Thunders and Resurrectionists. And the same goes for Luther the hare. You've got the card for the story encounter, and then you've also got the card for he's an alternative for Arcanist Blessed of December. And then we've got some upgrade cards, and having just a very brief look at the encounters book, you can see here it's Through the Breach, the tortoise and the hare, and in the introduction page we can see that it's got talking about Gembu and Luther, a little bit of fluff. Then we've got the encounters in the book. So these are the story encounters that you get to play and the adventure. And I'll just show you a few of the pages. Some beautiful artwork. And it's just going over how to play and setting up the story encounters. And some beautiful artwork of Luther there. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now is just put the models on a turntable, and we'll have a look at what they look like in close detail. Okay guys, so here you can see Gembu and Luther, and as you can see they look really good, guys. I've just put a little bit of white tack underneath Gembu's feet, as he doesn't want to stand up on his own, but you do get a 50mm base for Gembu, and you get a 40mm base for Luther. But let me know what you think of Luther and Genbu in the comments box down below. If you're interested in purchasing this box set, again, don't forget to check that link for Goblin Gaming in the description box below. Put a comment, let me know what you think of them. If you collect Malifaux miniatures, let others know about their wonderful range, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.